Hey CC, the intro for this video got messed up, so I am doing a quick voiceover. I took time out of my busy schedule on Sunday in the middle of my work to take a lunch break over at the Magic Key Terrace. I wanted to show you some of the food and then a quick trip over to Disneyland, and stick around to the end so you can see someone that's cute and furry. It's not easy to do landscape with a menu. So today I'm at the Magic Key Terrace at Disneyland, which is kind of the old winery thing. Here are the cocktails. There's their wine list. More cocktails. I'm probably going to do the non-alcoholic drink. And then here are the beers and drafts, but I need food. So this is the most important part of the menu. Since it's really hard to get reservations here, oh, by the way, here's the kids' meals. I'm probably going to order a lot of the food and then just get it to go. These are the Lobster Corndogs, and these are the sliders. So I'm going to try these, and I'm going to let you know what they taste like. I don't know if I can set the camera up correctly to video it, but I'll see. So I'm going to try the sliders first. They're really cute. They have little sesame seeds bun. Looks like they made it. I don't know what this one is. I'm going to have to relook and see. I think this is the pork belly slider. Because there's like a rind, like a pork rind in here. A good one. Put the little toothpick back in. That was a really good one. I have to be honest, but I could eat these in like 3 bites. Alright. See what this one tastes like. Oh no, maybe this one's the... Oh, this one must be the cool part. I like that one. And this one is a jalapeno toothpicks. The guy next to me just said it was really spicy. So we'll try it. Let's see if this is really spicy. Not super just spicy. Yeah. Okay. That one has a kick. And jalapeno. Yeah, that's a kick. I need some Coke. I was going to get one of the specialty drinks here, a non-alcoholic one. But unfortunately, the Heimlich Choo Choo drink has a it's a watermelon mix, but it's mixed with strawberries, and I'm allergic to strawberries, so I can't have it. But let me move the plates. So now I'm going to try the Lobster Corndog with a mustard remoulade. I'm sorry I didn't say that correctly. There's some salad on my plate too, but ooh, look at that. You would love this. This would be your favorite because you like lobster. It's not bad. Very, very good. Sauce? Very good. Alright, I don't think we're going to be able to get in here for reservations when you come to visit, but we could try, and you might want to eat some of this. This is really good. I'm debating, there's 2 other things on the menu that I want to order, so I might get those and, you know, do 2-go boxes, but the 3 sliders will be gone in a minute. So there's actually greens on here too. Just showing you really quickly. I will eat it. It's actually very tangy. I think it's like wilted or arugula or something. Okay, this way I can do landscape, but I still don't think I can do landscape showing you how I eat it. Nope. Landscape is not going to be a good angle for this, but it's salted caramel ice cream. And it's like a sauce. It's like a caramel sauce. Soft and bite-sized. I think they make them bite-sized because you're supposed to share. But I'm here by myself. So, it's all mine. Mine. So good. By the way, if you saw me shaking my head, that was because they were asking me if I wanted more water. No more water. Oh, you like my ears, Cynthia? Thank you. Actually, I'm very color coordinated today. Because look at my nails. Woo. Alright. I'm gonna scoff this down. And then I'm gonna head out to see some other things in the park. But let's see what we can see. So I'm just take a quick peek around the terrace. It's actually kind of cute up here. It's nice. Okay, so kind of the entryway. And you come up the stairs. It's really nice and quiet up here. Oh, this is way too close to my face. Landscape does not work very well, but I'm trying. Oh, look, I have a nice little background. Look at my ears. I pretty much just want to do this because my ear is here. And I actually match really well this time. Anyway, I am headed back out. Just finished the Magic Terrace. It was really nice, very quiet up there. So if you have a cat key, you should probably try it. I kind of took the shaded path in the back. I'm gonna probably leave the park in a couple of minutes. But remember the wine vineyard that used to be here? It's still here. And they have the little plants and everything. So it's still nice. So it's very quiet this way. So I like to walk back here. there's hardly any people coming this direction. A couple, one or two, but most people don't. They stick to the main road. I don't know if you can see my finger again over there. But anyway, I'm going to skedaddle. Well, that's the entrance to Avengers campus. It's not as bad. I mean, I guess obviously there's still room to walk around here, but it looks like a mass, like I'm in between wolf packs here, because there's a huge pack coming and I just left a huge pack. Oh, scary.
Yeah, people.
Wave on the trumpet. It's our man Clyde. Swing it, Clyde.
Okay, Clyde.
Next up, he's the cat's meow. He's pumping hot on sax. We call him Zoot, Zoot, Zoot. Working on all sixes. A precocious percussionist, that's right. Baby! Oh, baby, go! Thanks, Steve. Let's just get started. Every morning, ain't we got one? Not much money, all but money. Ain't we got one? Having some baby, but smells of baby, looking for us. And in summer, don't we have fun? God's born getting lovers, you we have fun. There's nothing to it. Rich get rich, poor get poor. In the meantime, in between time, we got fun.
It's you. I'm the one who found her. Oh, horse feathers, baby, I found her. Truth be told, I spotted her first. Yeah, boy. And here we go again. We continued for an hour.
Oh, tell it, baby, tell it.
Around for 3 or 4 or 5. Around $1 million, baby. In a 5 and 10 cent store. She was selling China. And when she made those eyes, all those eyes, we can find China until the crowd got wide.
And so did I.
If you should run into a shower, step inside our limo door.
And meet the $1 million baby from the Blind Vincent store.
Yeah, she's our $1 million baby from the 5 and 10 cent.
Bye-bye, folks. For 5 and 9, we'll see you on the sunny side of the street. So long.
Hey, made it into Disneyland. The band just went by. It's a little crazy. I mobile ordered some food from the Holly Jolly bakery, so I'm just kind of waiting till my time hits, and then I'm gonna go over and get my mobile order, grab it, and leave. It's actually relatively quiet for a Sunday. And here's City Hall. I would normally go up to the railway station, but the sun is very hot today, so I'm kind of hiding in it behind a tree. And it's weird, again, trying to do landscape on this because otherwise if I don't do portrait, my face looks really fat on landscape. Not that my face looks really skinny on portrait, it just seems like I could trim off my double chin, I suppose. Anyway, I'm gonna, like I said, get my mobile order, which is funny because they're talking about being fat, but whatever. I didn't get my mobile order. I'll show you guys when I get home what I got. And it's just a nice, relaxing Sunday at Disneyland now. Fun. Appropriate music for me catching the tram.
Driver clear. For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you. Driver clear. If you will be returning to the park later today, please keep your ticket to re-enter. If you'll be leaving the guest parking area and returning later today, just show today's parking ticket to re-enter the parking area. You can enjoy Magic all year round by upgrading your ticket via the official Disneyland app before the end of the day. As you travel through our resort, we'd like to remind you that our guest parking areas have a speed limit of 14 miles per hour. We ask that you please observe this speed limit and use the right-of-way to Disneyland vehicles, walking or driving.
Well, it's nice to sit and visit with Laura. I can't believe you guys worked that. Snuggles.
So this is how close I was to the escalator. Not very far. It was actually pretty good. I got here later in the afternoon, about 1 o'clock actually. My lunch reservations were for 1:30 and I barely made it. But yeah, so I got really good parking. So you're pretty close, right? Not bad. I'm over here. So that's my car way over there. But yeah, so it was a hot day. Took my ears off. I'm gonna hop into the car. I'm gonna head back home and show you what I mobile ordered. I'm all sweaty and gross. Alright. Okay, home. And who's my buddy? It's my buddy waiting for me. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, honey. Okay, go back up, buddy. Go back up. He ran right up them stairs, right up them stairs, right up the stairs. There he is. There he is. There he is. Hi, monster baby. No, that's mine. I mobile ordered food for myself. But you can see what's in there. Oh, you think you got snackies, huh? Say hi to everyone. Hi. This is Angel. And he's been waiting for me to come back. Because he thought I was gone forever. You thought I was gone forever? Huh? Show everybody a cute face. Look over here. Oh, the cute face. The cute face, the cute face, the cute face. Okay, what did I mobile order? Let's see. Not very much this time. I only got 2 items. Oh, you can't see my fingers. 2 items. I got the apple cinnamon muffin because I love to eat these. They're really, really good. If you like apple. If you don't like apple or you don't like cinnamon, not for you, obviously, but I really like these. It's a good breakfast meal as well. If you're running around the park and you don't know, want to just grab something really quick, a muffin, this is always a good choice. I am going to probably eat it for dessert, unless I eat this for dessert. And by this, not this white bag, but what's inside the white bag. So let's pull it out. I fear that it's all messed up because it's been kind of knocked around a bit. I don't know if you can see, but it is the special electric parade cookie. Open the container with one hand. Woo! Alright. Snap it, snap it. So no glare, but it does say Main Street Electrical Parade, and it's a macaron. Pushed in the bottom. Sad. All right, so there's a big middle frosting, chocolate. Oh, it's melty. Chocolatey. Anyway, I will probably have that later too. And then, of course, the one other thing, if you're still looking for the sipper and the popcorn bucket for the electric parade, the snail was the sipper, or no, I think maybe it's a turtle or a snail, I can't remember, but let me take a look here in a minute. And then the Pete's Dragon popcorn bucket, I believe it's still somewhere in the park, I just don't know where. But when I was mobile ordering these 2 things, I saw that the Jolly Holiday Bakery had the sipper, and you could purchase it there. So I went ahead and I did that. Again, like I need that, like a hole in the head, another sipper. But it's super cute. Yeah, it's a turtle. Oop! It's a turtle, and it comes with a strap. And it says, 50th anniversary. And it is turtle. Turtle. He does light up. Oops, there's a spigot or spout, I guess. And I guess you turn, or I don't know how you open him. Well, I'm not going to try. But he does light up. So underneath here, there is a button. I have to do this all one-handed, so sorry guys. This is crazy. It does light up. It's daytime right now, so he's not too bright. But you can see he looks just like the one in the parade. So, like I said, I needed this like a hole in the head, but I have many holes in my head. So, all right, I had a good day. I hope you had a good day. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will be doing more videos. I'll be going back to the park a lot more in August, and for sure in September I'll have a lot more content because I will also be going to D23. So again, I hope that your day was good, my day was good, and I'll talk to you guys later.